As the president delivers his State of the Union address tonight, there will be some very special guests in the audience. One of them is accompanying Illinois Congresswoman Robin Kelly, thanks to her work in health care and efforts to stem the Black maternal mortality crisis. And we welcome in Dr. Lisa Green and Representative Kelly. Thanks for being with us this morning from Washington, D.C., ahead of tonight's State of the Union address. We'll start with you.
Thank you.
Glad to have you. We'll start with you, Congresswoman Kelly. We know this issue is very near and dear to your heart as you introduced the Care for Moms Act. Tell us more about why you chose Dr. Green to join you as your guest tonight.
Well, Dr. Green is one of my sheroes.
All right.
She has just done such a magnificent job working with everybody in the family, actually, but particularly Black moms and their children. Her clinic is outstanding, and the help that they give to the 2nd Congressional District and beyond is without reproach. So I wanted to bring her because reproductive rights and freedoms and IVF it's been very important in this last year. So I wanted to make sure someone that is working hard to make sure that women have reproductive rights, families are healthy, kids are healthy, to be my guest.
And Dr. Green, you're the co-founder of the Family Christian Health Center in Harvey, in the south suburbs. And we know that pregnancy-related deaths for Black women are alarmingly high in the country when compared to other demographics. The latest numbers from the CDC showing that in 2021, the maternal mortality rate for Black women was nearly 3 times higher than that as for white women. What more needs to be done to protect Black women during pregnancy and childbirth?
So absolutely. One of the things that we realized when we started this work is creating an ecosystem of healthcare allowed us to really be able to attack the multifaceted areas that women face with healthcare. When we started out, originally the death rate in Chicago was 6 times higher than that for Black women than white women. And so as a result of that, when we've opened up the health center, we've been able to address the mental health issues, the physical needs, the spiritual needs. We've been able to help them with trying to go back to school. It's having access to the social worker. It's a whole system. So it's not one isolated issue, right? It is being able to create an ecosystem of care that addresses the health of the whole person and having the health system come around and championing together the health care of a healthy mom and a healthy baby. And in fact, since we've opened our doors, we've seen that happen. A
holistic approach really addressing the preventative care on the front side to address so many other issues, correct?
Correct. Absolutely.
Not to get too political in this situation, of course, women's reproductive rights has been at the forefront. Of course, the situation in Alabama. Representative Kelly, to both of you, even Dr. Green, what do you hope to hear from President Biden tonight during his State of the Union address?
Well, I know that President Biden will definitely bring up women's reproductive rights and the IVF situation in Alabama. He's one of our champions, and I know that this is a part of democracy, our freedom to choose, make our choices about our body, and also the freedom of people to grow their families.
I think when you look at women's health, Family Christian Health Center is a fairly qualified health center. Fairly qualified health centers have been a staple in the community to provide access to care comprehensively to women. And so I am hoping that tonight to hear the support from the president to continue us to be able to provide that kind of care. Congresswoman Kelly knows I say this all the time. It says, we the people in our Constitution. That's all of us. Right? The we is not a separate, it's not the us, it's not the them, it's not the they, it is we. And it's the collective approach. And women are part of that in this country and a staple of that. And so I am hoping to hear that women's rights and the ability to provide health care to all is going to be an important continued mantra that the president will continue.
Dr. Green, enjoy yourself tonight. Thanks so much for being with us as well. To you, Congresswoman Robin Kelly, we appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.